Good afternoon and welcome to another Volvo video, my 2003 Volvo XC90. And in this video I'm going to be adjusting the parking brake. So I'll just show you, the parking brake was better than before I replaced the shoes, but it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clicks before it starts to engage. Now I'm facing slightly uphill, so I'll just put the transmission into neutral, and there in neutral, as you can see, I'm still rolling back a bit. And if I put it into drive, it's holding because I'm facing slightly uphill. So if I just take off the parking brake, it's not moving, but obviously in neutral it's moving, so I need to adjust the parking brake. The parking brake cable is located behind here, so what I'll do first is I need to move this seat right back, pull this panel off, you just pull it and off it comes. Really is as simple as that. And move this panel to one side, put it in the back seat. Then I need to pull the carpet down, and there's the adjuster for the parking brake cable. So I'll just put you in a better position, then you can see what I'm doing. Right, this might be a bit awkward to film, so I've done my best. So just pull this out. Now there's a clip here that needs to come out. And there's a reason for that. The reason for that clip. Let's get myself a flat-bladed screwdriver. And I've got to be careful not to lose this clip, otherwise it's game over. Well, not quite game over, but not a good position to be in. See, I should take the seat out when doing this. Right, now I must release it a little, so I need to be careful so I don't lose the clip. There we go, managed to successfully pull the clip out. So once that's out, this adjuster needs to be screwed clockwise as we're looking at it. And I think this one's deciding to fight me a bit. Yep, it's fighting me. I thought I'd be able to do it with the tools I have, but obviously not. So I'll come back with some more tools. So I'll try again. So I think rather than struggling, I'll just move this seat out of my way. So by unbolting the seat, that's giving me more room already. It's only 4 bolts, 4 14mm bolts. So I'll have another go at this cable. And looking from front to back, I need to turn it anti-clockwise. And just screw it that way as far as I can go. I remember better off doing it this way. Just screw it as far as I can to just keep going until this is loose, and then pull this back. And then we unscrew this until the groove for the circlip is exposed. I'll put that somewhere safe, which is up here. And then that should do it. And then the circlip is back in. So that should be our parking brake adjusted. So I'll just no, that's not done it, so I'll adjust it again. I'll do it off camera. So after a few goes, I did manage to get it better. It's far from perfect, but I'm hoping that as the parking brake shoes bedding, it might improve. If not, I do have one alternative open to me, and that's to replace the H pieces on the shoe assembly with adjustable ones. And I think Volvo actually did bring them out because the parking brake was terrible on these. My mechanic actually told me they are a pig of a job to do. So I may well look into getting the adjustable H spacer for the shoes, because some of the aftermarket discs on the drum part, it's actually a bigger diameter than the genuine Volvo discs. So I'll end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this one. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.